Hey everybody, Randy Orton back, life mastery consultant and financial service provider with Nove. Welcome back. Today we're going to talk about iCoinPro and their affiliate program. This is awesome. So many great ways to earn money with iCoinPro, and today we're going to talk about the affiliate program. Before we start, let's go through the disclaimer. iCoinPro Trade Finder and its trainers provide an informational service only and are not responsible for any investments made applying this information. The results described are not typical and are not guarantees of future income. Any investment contains risk and is 100% the responsibility of you, the investor, to assess the risks, rewards involved. We're going to teach you how to do that. We teach you a lot in the free boot camp, but the extensive training offered by iCoinPro is going to reduce the risks and extend the rewards for you. So, without any further ado, let's get going. So, as an affiliate with iCoinPro, uh, on top of the consistent profits with the micro profit system for trading Bitcoin cryptocurrencies, you can earn even more money with a once in a lifetime network marketing opportunity. Um, this is cool. This is one of the most lucrative compensation plans I've ever seen. Uh, 4 different ways when you decide to become an affiliate with iCoinPro. Number one, the fast start enroller tree commissions. Each time you enroll a new person who pays for the one-time $50 unlimited access, 50 goes to the fast start enroller tree commissions. When someone pays the one-time $10 affiliate sign-up fee, another 10 goes into the fast start enroller tree commission. When somebody comes in at both for a total of 60, the full 60 goes into the fast start enroller tree commissions and is paid out and follows. All affiliates start at level 1. Commissions for everyone in the roller tree, and then you can earn up to 12 levels of fast start and roller tree commissions as you advance in rank. So this is going to show you level 1. We all start here. You get 50% of that $60, basically $30 is going right to you as fast start commission. And you see a level 1, level 2 be 10% fast start commission, and so on and so forth, all the way down to 12 levels. So like I said, as an example, when you enroll someone who joins for 50, and then the $10 affiliate fee, you will earn $30 fast start enroller tree commissions on that person. If one of your personally enrolled affiliates enrolls someone at $50 in limited access and $10 affiliate fee, you earn 10% second level commission, which is $6, and so on and so forth on down. Now, important, $39.95 monthly membership fee is not paid out in fast start enroller tree commissions. They are paid out in our placement tree residual commission part of the pay plan. And we're going to go through that next. Fast start and roller tree commissions are calculated solely on enroller tree, regardless of where people may fall in your placement tree. If you are utilizing the Powerline system, you will get paid on members in your placement tree through the placement tree residual commissions and residual coded infinity generational overrides. So here's the placement tree residual commissions. This is the $39.95 monthly membership payments. And once these start rolling in, your affiliates underneath you, the people underneath you, you would get 10% everybody first level, 5% anybody up from second level that they sign, 3%, 2%, and you can see on down, all the way 10 levels deep. Anyway, residual coded infinity generational overrides on top of the 10 levels of commissions you earn through the residual commissions. You can also get paid even more on those 10 levels and even deeper, up to infinite levels deep in your organization as you advance in rank. Starting at the rank of 1 star, you'll earn 2% override on all volume within that generation of rank. So if you are a 3-star, for example, nobody in your placement tree has achieved 3-star or above yet, you would earn an additional 2% on all of that volume, including the volume on your first 6 levels on your placement tree that you earn in the placement tree residual commissions. So for each additional rank you achieve, you qualify for all the ranks coded bonuses. That's all the coded bonuses for the previous ranks. So if you achieve 5-star, for example, and you paid 2 generations of 1-star overrides, 4 generations of 2-star overrides, 7 generations of 3 stars, 10 generations of 4 stars, and 12 generations of 5-star overrides. And you can earn even more than one ranked override on everyone in your organization. This allows you to earn up to an additional 14% or another $5.60 per month on every single member in your entire placement tree every single month, up to infinite levels deep. That could be huge. That could add up to a lot of money. Infinite levels. This is you paid for people you'd never met, never going to meet. Way down the line. That's why it makes us so lucrative. And then with the monthly global bonus pools, powerful placement tree residual commissions, huge residual coded and fading generational overrides. The iCoinPro compensation plan is the most generous in the industry, and this is true. And if that weren't exciting enough, you got the global bonus pools that are the icing on the cake. Each month, they set aside an additional 10% of every dollar that comes in on the monthly membership payments and pay it out in global bonus pools based on rank to those who qualify. Unlike the other parts of the compensation plan, the monthly bonus pool is reserved only for affiliates who personally enroll a minimum of 1 member for the month. Affiliates will only participate in a maximum 1 pool per month based on the highest rank they achieve for the month. So you can see monthly commissions, 3%, 1 star, 2%, 2%, 3 stars, on down. Here's some potential income examples from using the Powerline marketing system. Compensation plan examples for monthly residual income. The Powerline does not include fast start bonuses for income from trading. So if you're making some profitable trades, none of this, that's all on top of what you could be making as an affiliate. Or just sign people up. So when you hit 1 star, just 3 people, you unlock 5 levels of the placement tree residual commissions, 2 generations of 1-star residual coded and feigned generational overrides, and a 1-star global bonus pool. So, and that's how this could play out. If you unlock payout on 25 people in your first generation and 25 more people in your second generation of 1-star residual coded and fitting generational overrides, you could be earning over $50 or more in residual income every single month for just referring 3 people with the 1-star global bonus pools added in. Your membership is now paid. So that's really your goal, refer 3 people, get in the global bonus pool, and don't have to worry about your membership ever again. It's paid every month for you. And you just trade, make some money, and show other people iCoinPro and show them how easy it is to learn how to trade crypto and be good at it. That's going to hear some more examples of how much money you could actually make by having people, by showing more people the opportunity and teaching more people how to trade crypto. Imagine having 25 people in each generation, 3-star residual coded infinity overrides. You could be earning over 500 or more in residual income every single month for building a team with the 3-star global bonus pool added in. Who can use an extra $500 a month? And 125 people is not that many people when you consider how many people are in the world. iCoinPro is not exclusive to the United States. People all over the world can do this, can invest in, and not necessarily invest, can trade cryptocurrencies and be good at it, be profitable at it. This video is going to show you how to maximize the compensation plan with iCoinPro. Sorry about the extra noise. My dog decided to start playing with some plastic toy at the end of this video, but that's it for the affiliate program. This is awesome. This is a great way to make some money. It's a great way to learn a skill to make some money. So not only are you learning a skill and using that skill set to make profitable trades, you can teach other people how to do it. and you can earn some money that way too. This is awesome. Thank you for watching. Again, check out my website, randallorton.com, and get signed up as a pre-enrollee iCoinPro. Get in the free boot camp and get started today. You can check out the link, should be in the video description, should be in my profile bio as well. So hope to see you inside. Hope to get you on my team, and let's make some profitable trades together. Have a great day.